guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and welcome back to another small YouTuber support video. So my last one did super well, so I thought that I would maybe do another one so that I can reach more people, and that way that you guys can connect with other channels. So make sure to watch till the end of the video. I do have a little surprise for you guys. So if you don't know what a small YouTuber support video is, it's simply a way that you guys can comment in the comment section below, and then you have to go through the comment section and find genuine YouTube channels to give you a boost of either subscribers, watch time, or whatever you're looking for. But remember, don't sub for sub. It literally really does not work, like at all. It's a suicide mission. Abort. So, if you are new here, my name is Brianne, and I post videos about music covers, lifestyle vlogs, and honestly anything in between. Whatever I feel like posting, I share with you guys. So if you like what I post, make sure to hit the big old subscribe button and the notification bell to be aware of when I post. Also, today's post notification shoutouts go to Madeline Montgomery, Dalila Sada, and Makeup with Baby G. So sorry if I mispronounced any of your names, but I just want to say thank you for the continuing support and the love that you guys have given to me, and it honestly means a lot. So make sure to keep doing that if you want to, that is. And yeah, so if you'd like to receive a post notification shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section below. So here's the big surprise for you guys. So I'm about 500-ish subscribers away from 3,000 subscribers. And I thought, what's a good way to celebrate the success that I've had during quarantine and the continuing support that I've gotten from you guys. So I thought that maybe I'd do a small giveaway. So it's not going to be anything too fancy or big, but it's just a way so that I can say thank you for all the support that you guys have given me. And so details about the giveaway will be listed in the description, and don't forget to check it out. Bye guys!